I'm Lieutenant Giles with the Richmond Police Department. Our photo speed enforcement program, School Zones, is going live.
Basically what we're trying to do is get people to slow down in the school zone. The safety camera will actually monitor people's speed, and if you're going 11 miles over the speed limit, you're going to be getting a citation in the mail. From 7:15 to 9:15 in the morning and 2:15 to 4:15, that's when the arrival and dismissal times are. So that's when you're going to see these cameras in operation, trying to get people to slow down.
We'll be issuing warnings for the first 30 days. After that, citation will be issued.
At first it'll be 2 schools as a pilot location, and then we're going to expand to 6 and then finally to 13. So there'll be a number of schools throughout the area on the high injury network where people have been shown to be hurt and killed. We're just really trying to focus on slowing people down. There's a number of signs. Hey, I'm in this zone, I could potentially get a ticket. This is just one tool in the toolbox. Basically, we've worked throughout the city doing speed tables and traffic calming devices, traffic circles, curb extensions. All of these items are there to remind people to slow down and watch for people crossing the street. We've installed bike lanes, and again, the goal is to get people to slow down and share the road. We want everyone to be safe.
Help protect our children coming and going to school. Please slow down.